Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create active network account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in activenetwork.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Active Network. In this interface at top right corner you'll be able to find the option for get started. Simply click on it. Now from this interface you can create the account for yourself. All you have to do is provide the details. So first of all enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now what you have to do is enter your email. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now you'll also have to provide the phone number. Simply enter the phone number over here. Now enter the company name. Likewise, you'll also have to select the industry. Click on the field of industry. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now also enter the annual revenue. Click on this field and you'll be able to find several options. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the country. Click on the field of country. Now simply click on the country of your choice. Now also select state or province if required. Now what you have to do is check on this box, yes, I would like to receive news and offers from Active via email. You can also skip this if you want. Now check on this box, yes, I agree to receive phone calls from Active. If you do not want, you can also skip checking these boxes. Now what you have to do is click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your request has been received. Active Network will be in touch shortly. You'll be informed through the email if your account has been created or not. You can simply follow through the prompts and register your account. So that is how you create Active Network account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.